All right, guys, so we've been getting tons of questions about the bags I'm running on my bike. A lot of you guys are very interested in the bags. Been running these bags for 3 months. They're villain to hero. All right, so if you're interested in them, hit him up. He's got a website, but he always says for you to private message him. He doesn't have any prices listed on his website, so slide in his DMs, ask him about these bags. Anyways, they're the replica FXDP bags. All right, Dyna Police bags. These are it. All right, don't worry about this right here. All right, I'll get into that in a second, but pretty solid bags as of right now. All right, when you get them, he sends you the hardware. All right, this is the hardware he sends you. He sends you three bolts, 6 washers, and some nuts. All right, sends you 2 sets of keys. All right, and yeah, these are the bags. So the reason, all right, they look like this, all right, is because probably about a month after I had them, I had a lot of cracks in the fiberglass. All right, and I had my buddy who works on military grade helicopters help me out. He knows a lot about fiberglassing, and he helped me fiberglass them, and we got them back up to back reinforced on the corners, and I think I had like 4 or 5 cracks in them. Long story short, I had to paint them. This is my bad. I screwed this up. I tried to put like an undercoating on there. Yeah, didn't work out, so I'm probably eventually gonna sand them down and repaint them. I just haven't had time, but yeah, they were cracked, and I've heard stories about these like actually saving people's legs and stuff. I really didn't have that luck with them that other guys did. I haven't laid my bike down, so I'm glad I haven't put my leg to the test against these. However, reached out to the guy at Villain to Hero, and we talked for a while, and he ended up giving me back like 150 bucks, I think, and for my troubles. But yeah, these are Villain to Hero bags, and yeah, we're gonna install them. All right, so here's the frames that you get with the bags. All right, pretty solid. One thing that threw me off was yeah, these actually flex a little bit. So when you put them on, you actually have to flex them a little bit to get them to line up. And I think the reason he does that, which it's actually kind of smart, is so he doesn't have to make like different rails for like each model Dyna or each model FXR, because they probably are slightly different. Like we have the Lowrider S, as you guys know. It's probably different if you have a wide glide. Don't quote me on that, but that's why I think he does it. Pretty smart, in my opinion. So yeah, just gonna put the hardware on. One thing I wanted to mention is I am using the Alloy Art quick disconnect hardware. What that does is it allows you to run a sissy bar and take your bags off really fast if you want to do that. So we actually just installed that hardware. As you guys can see, the beautiful RWD shocks. If you're running any bags that you're running, I know the Leather Pros, I think they have like little locks in them and stuff. But if you're running any hard bags, I would recommend buying this Alloy Art kit, because it's pretty cool. I think it's like 45 or 50 bucks. So yeah, all we're gonna do is tighten this down now, and then put the bags in, and we'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, so we have 3 mounting holes to put the bolts through. So you got one in the back, as you can see, I got it in there. All right, just gotta tighten her down with some tools. Got one on the bottom here in the middle, and then right here in the front. All right, and then he provides like little grommets to put in the holes too. Alright guys, that's going to do it for us here at Dyna Demos. I hope you liked the video. I'm Rod.
I'm Lego, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.